Matatag Curriculum, PE and Health, Grade 4, Quarter 1, Lesson 2, Personal Hygiene Practices.
Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Learning competency. Demonstrate proper personal hygiene practices. Here are the objectives for this lesson. First, describe ways to take care of sense organs. Second, explain how to keep the body clean, healthy, and disease-free. And last, practice good healthy habits and hygiene and personal hygiene. So before we start, let us define good health. Good health is beneficial to one's physical, mental, or emotional state, conducive to or associated with good health or reduced disease risk. Healthy foods, a healthy lifestyle. And also, personal health is the ability to take charge of your health by making conscious decisions to be healthy. So let's talk about proper care of the sense organs. What are the sense organs? Are they important? Today, we are going to discuss it. Okay, so let's start. So let's start with what are the sense organs? Sense organs are specialized organs that help to perceive the world around us. They are an integral part of our lives, and it is the only way that enables us to perceive the environment. Sense organs provide the required data for interpretation through various organs and a network of nerves in response to a particular physical phenomenon. These senses govern our association and our interaction with the environment. So we have 5 sense organs, namely eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Let's have the first one, the eyes. Sense of sight. These are the visual sensory organs in our body. These are sensitive to light images. The eyes vary in color depending on the amount of melanin present in our body. It helps in the sense of sight by detecting and focusing on the light images. The iris in the eye is the colored part that controls the size and diameter of the pupil, which directly affects the amount of light entering the eyes. Behind the lens of the eye lies the vitreous body. It is filled with a gelatinous material called vitreous humor. This substance gives shape to the eyeball and also transmits light to the very back of the eyeball, where the retina is found. This retina contains photoreceptors, which detect light. There are two types of cells present that perform functions distinct from each other. These are rods and cones. The second one is ears, sense of hearing. The ears are the audio sense organs of the body. They help us to perceive sounds. Our auditory system detects vibrations in the air, and this is how we clear sounds. This is known as hearing or audio caption. The ears are divided into three sections, namely the outer ear, the inner ear, and the middle ear. All sounds are basically vibrations, so the outer ear transfers these vibrations into the ear canal, where these vibrations are transformed by the brain into meaningful sounds. Apart from hearing, this sense is also important for balancing our body or equilibrium. The third one is the tongue, sense of taste. The tongue helps in perceiving various tastes and flavors. The taste buds are present between the papilla on the tongue. These help in sensing different tastes. The senses of smell and taste tend to work together. If one could not smell something, they could not taste it either. Taste buds on the tongue contain chemoreceptors that work similarly to the chemoreceptors in the nasal cavity. However, the chemoreceptors in the nose detect any kind of smell. There are 4 different types of taste buds, and each one can detect different types of tastes like sweetness, sourness, bitterness, and saltiness. The fourth one is the nose, sense of smell. The nose is an olfactory organ. Our olfactory system helps us to perceive different smells. This sense of organ also aids our sense of taste. The sense of smell is also known as olfaction. The olfactory cells tend to line the top of the nasal cavity. On the end, olfactory cells have cilia that project into the nasal cavity, and on the other end of the cell are the olfactory nerve fibers. However, the chemoreceptors in the nose detect any kind of smell. There are 4 different types of taste buds, and each one can detect different types of tastes like sweetness, sourness, bitterness, and saltiness. As one breathes in, the air enters into the nasal cavity. The olfactory cells are chemoreceptors, which means that the olfactory cells have protein receptors that can detect subtle differences in chemicals. These chemicals bind to the cilia, which conduct a nerve impulse that is carried to the brain. The brain then translates these impulses into a meaningful smell. During a cold, the body produces mucus which blocks the sense of smell. This is the reason why the food we eat tastes bland. The last one is the skin. Skin is the largest organ of our body. It is related to the sense of touch. The skin contains general receptors that can detect touch, pain, pressure, and temperature. They are present throughout the skin. Skin receptors generate an impulse and when activated, is carried to the spinal cord and then to the brain. For the activity, choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, which sense do we use to hear music? A. Sight, B. Taste, C. Hearing, or D. Touch? The correct answer is letter C. Hearing. Number 2, what part of the body helps us smell things? A. Eyes, B. Ears, C. Nose, or D. Hands? The correct answer is C. Nose. Number 3, when you eat a lemon and it makes you pucker up, which sense are you using? A. Hearing, B. Sight, C. Taste, or D. Touch? The correct answer is letter C. Taste. Number 4, if you see a rainbow in the sky, which sense are you using to experience it? A. Smell, B. Sight, C. Hearing, or D. Taste? The correct answer is letter B. Sight. Number 5, if you touch a hot stove and feel pain, which sense are you using? A. Taste, B. Sight, C. Touch, or D. Smell? The correct answer is letter C. Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!